Similarly, if it is in the posterior fossa tumor, then you may have problem in walking, imbalance in walking, weakness of various cranial nerves is possible. Now, today we have variety of investigations available to diagnose. Once you develop any one of these symptoms, you should immediately report to a neurosurgeon which is closest to you, and he would like to investigate by doing a CT scan or MRI, which is these days available very commonly, and you should do that to rule out. Of course, there are other sophisticated investigations available like 3 Tesla MRI or PET scan, ultrasound, and all other sort of tests are available to diagnose the brain tumors. Once you have diagnosed the brain tumors, they can be treated by most commonly by means of surgery, and today the surgery has become with a lot of aids available intraoperatively and advancement in anesthesiology. The surgical results have improved remarkably, and today if a patient comes in a good state, then the outcome should also be good. The risk of surgery if a patient has come in good state, the risk developing any complication would be less than 1%. But if you are late by chance, that you have come late and you have already damaged your brain, then the prognosis become poor, and then the chances become less and less depending on at what stage you have come. The other alternative of the surgery are the cancer patients, and another modality available is the radiosurgery, that is called as gamma knife. But that is also, radiotherapy should be as an alternative choice. That cannot be a first choice. So radiotherapy is given when you think the tumor cannot be excised safely or it's risky, then you give a radiation treatment. But otherwise, surgery is the best choice in these brain tumors. Thank you.